Gulshan is the first Indian company which has set up the fine wet grinded GCC in powder form for its application as coating pigment. This product is well established in the market, for which company has bought the advanced technology and equipment from German company EVA. Now company produces the fine WGCC with particle size of less than 2 microns, 65% and 95% respectively, for its use in paper making as filler and coating pigment. These products are supplied in powder as well as in slurry form. Likewise, the demo of this on-site wet grinded GCC model is as follows. The good quality and highest purity calcite stone is brought to the manufacturing facility by the lorry and stored to the stone yard for the further sorting. Thereafter, only whitest and highest purity material is segregated and conveyed for washing to the washer screen through the conveyor that removes the mud and other impurities. This cleaned, mud-free stone is taken to the jaw crusher for the size reduction and then made to pass through hammer mill to reduce the size less than 3 mm and then transferred to the feed silo through bucket elevator for its ultimate transferring to the ball mill. The ball mill further reduces the size with the meshing of grinding media to 35 to 45 microns powder, and then this powder is passed through the classifying system for its ultimate separation of desired particle size powder and collected to the product silo through DBC. The powder from silo is then transferred to the dispersion tank where powder and the water is mixed in desired proportion to get the GCC slurry at desirable concentration, and this slurry is passed through series of attrition mills consisting grinding media and rotating device mounted on shaft driven by motor, so as to ensure the particles complying to the customer needs and applications. The dispersion chemical dosing is also done in attrition mill to keep the slurry homogeneous and of controlled rheology. Finally, the finest particle size slurry is passed through FMF to segregate the iron particles, and then this slurry is made to pass through 500 mesh screens to arrest all the residue and foreign particles before transferring to the product tank. And then this screen slurry is pumped to product tank, tankers or barrels for its supply to the paper mill. All the dust and waste drainage being generated during the process is collected, reprocessed before its reuse and recycled to keep the environment clean and dust-free. Thus, by this process, the minimum solids and zero liquid drainage are discharged. This is all, and thanks for a patient hearing. Any suggestions and advices are highly appreciated.